Now, Gage is wadding my chair in. This is the only rental available that could do one way. This may be the slowest production 4-door sedan, and we're gonna go get a little different 4-door sedan. Micah, cram it in, we'll drop you off. Wait.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Gage, are you gonna be sad to be riding home, not riding home in this?
No.
Why?
It's a turd.
It's a unit.
At least unlock it.
Wheelchair. Look at that, dude. Yep. I'm pretty pumped up. I'm not stoked about these hand controls. I'm gonna show you how I'm driving this turd. Oh, rental agreement. Probably about halfway home, I'm gonna have to unhook it because after 150 miles. Whoop, up, up, up. Look at them calipers there. There's a little bit of shit on the rim still, but I got this kid Gage.
No.
Level of sketchiness, and we're not supposed to be cranking in this thing, so.
This is a recommendation.
Right. I forgot that I programmed the M buttons. I should go over a video on that because it's not a lot, but it's enough. You can hear it come into the boost though. It's not even letting me, with my hand controls, go all the way to the floor, which is probably a good thing, but you can definitely tell. Hear it? I love this one. Wow.
The old spark, you can never catch that beast.
I can't wait to have real hand controls in this. Like the SS, you know? You hear that? You hear the turbo? That's crazy that it's from the factory. You can hear it like that.
Well, I'd hope so.
Wow.
This would be fun to take around like an actual track. I wonder if there is one in New Hampshire. Or any track on the way back you can just go to.
This fucking thing is crazy, dude. Yeah? Wow, you hear that shift? Oh. Oh, I don't even think my shift firmness is turned all the way up either. Can't remember. I think I have to set it. Hear that little. Unit, dude.
Does it have that little display thing up there?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it on camera, probably not.
flashing a little bit. That's fine. Try not to run into the rental, right?
I'm more worried about this. I don't care about that turd.
Wow, I know that, but wanna be messing up to go that way?
Yes. It's good anyway if you're in a fast enough car. It would probably look sweet just seeing this behind you. I'd be scared and a little smart.
Dude, this thing, what do you think so far?
I mean, I don't know. I haven't really put it to the test yet.
Wow, I can already tell that's gonna be gnarly. Probably about around the 100 mile an hour mark, or 100 mile mark. I'm taking off this accelerator so the bitch can go to the floor.
That's something you can clap.
I feel like I can clap most things.
Even in braking?
Smell the newness. Heck, I guess. Car's dirty. I can't believe the dealership put the front license plate bracket on my damn car. Look at that. They pretty much told me I was beat. I didn't notice it until I was 3 hours away. Thing sounds loud. Weird. Got the old girl home. Driving a BMW is nice. This is my first BMW I've ever owned. I had an older Mercedes, rode in some Volkswagen. That was about my extent of German car experience. I am impressed. Driving down the road, it's amazing. I'm really looking forward to see what this thing does on the draggy. It's supposed to do an 11.4 in its current form. Not really familiar with BMWs. Looking at a JB4, like to make it sound a little better. Any of your recommendations, please drop it in the comment. Let me know what you think. And like and subscribe, please. Thank you.